Legal maxims and phrases. Quantum. Meruit. Quantum. Meruit. Quantum. Meruit is a Latin phrase that means as much as one has deserved. Quantum. Meruit is considered an equitable remedy because it aims to prevent unjust enrichment of one party at the expense of another. It is a legal remedy that allows a party to recover compensation for work or services performed, even if there isn't a formal contract, or if the contract is void or unenforceable. The principle behind quantum meruit is that a person should not be unjustly enriched or benefited by another's work and that the person who did the job should be compensated for their labor. Quantum meruit, a reasonable sum of money to be paid for services rendered or work done when the amount due is not stipulated in a legally enforceable contract. Quantum meruit damages are awarded in an amount considered reasonable to compensate a person who has provided services in a quasi-contractual relationship. This amount may also be described as the reasonable value of services rendered by one party to another. Quantum meruit is often calculated based on the market value of the services, but courts retain discretion in calculating equitable remedies. Quantum meruit is often used when a contract is implied or partially performed. A contract is later discovered to be void or unenforceable. One party has benefited from another's work without paying for it. In the context of contract law, quantum meruit implies a promise or agreement to pay a fair sum for labor and provided materials. Quantum meruit damages are awarded in an amount considered reasonable to compensate a person who has provided services in a quasi-contractual relationship. In India, a claim under quantum meruit is allowed by Section 70 of the Indian Contract Act, which states that when a person lawfully does anything for someone and does so non-gratuitously, and the latter enjoys the benefit of it, he is bound to compensate the former. Quantum Wailbent. Quantum wailbent is a similar legal concept, but it is used to recover the reasonable value of goods sold and delivered, while quantum meruit is used to recover the reasonable value of services rendered. Please like and share the video. Thank you.